Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I'm going to walk you through my beauty maintenance at home. I like to start off with hair removal before I start my shower. After about 5 minutes, I wipe the V off with paper towel and jump straight into the shower to avoid any chemical burns. Now I have really sensitive skin, so I love using this Dove Sensitive Skin Bar paired with my silicone bath brush for the perfect amount of exfoliation without any irritation. In between pedicures, I always use this pumice stone to keep my feet nice and smooth. Not only is my skin sensitive, but it is also dry, so on wet skin I like to add a body oil. The Frenchie body oil smells great and it is gentle enough for my sensitive skin. And on top of that I add a body butter, usually cocoa butter, to lock in the moisture. I've made the switch to press-on nails, so every week I do switch the set that I have on, and to take them off, I like to soak them off with dish soap and olive oil in warm water. After soaking for about 4 minutes, I then remove my press-ons with floss and they pop right off. For my lashes, I like to use lash clusters. I don't have a specific set that I like just yet, but I do really like the lash clusters and the versatility of them. And for now, I've just been playing around with them and creating new styles as I go. My eyebrows are previously laminated and shaped, so it's really easy for me to just keep them clean and maintain them. I like to do that with tweezers and a little razor. I'll usually tweeze the hairs that are kind of thick and stubborn and just use my razor for those smaller hairs and in between my eyebrows. I am adding olive oil to my eyebrows because they are laminated and it is important to keep them moisturized after being laminated. I love doing my hair, so a lot of my styles are very versatile. Today I'm just installing a U-part wig. I have a very basic braid down in the back, and then I just put my U-part wig on. Now for the wig, I always like to just give it an updated cut while I am wearing it, which usually just consists of trimming the ends. U-part and V-part wigs give so much versatility while still looking so natural. I absolutely love them. They are definitely my top tier when it comes to hairstyles. My nails are always my very last step in my beauty maintenance routine, just to make sure that I don't mess them up in any way. OBI has become one of my favorite brands for press-on nails just because of their color and shade range, but I found that this nail glue from Sally Beauty really helps for my nails to last all week long without any lifting at all. So that is it for my weekly at-home beauty maintenance. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.